Welcome to 3-week workshop on programming in C++. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of some escape sequences in a C++ programming language. So normally, this escape sequence will not provide any different functionalities. Normally, this escape sequence will be used for formatting the outputs. So normally, it will be provided only in the executable part of the program. Especially these except the slash and slash t and the remaining everything must be preferred to use only in output statement. I mean, especially for formatted output statement, that is in cout statement. So I think in the one videos we already had a discussion on the cout operator, object outputs, for displaying the output, formatted output statement. So with that, these escape sequence normally prefer to use only on those output statement. So normally must especially except slash n and slash t, and the remaining even slash n or slash t also prefer to use in the inside of double quotes. Normally these statements only prefer to use within output statement. That is a formatted output statement. Generally we call it as a formatted output statement. Okay, I will give you an explanation for them. So these are some of the escape sequences supported by the C++. Slash n for providing the new line, and slash t for a tab space, slash b for backspace, and slash r for carriage threshold, and slash a for alert sound, and slash double quotes for display the double quotes on the output screen, slash quote means for display the single quotes on the output screen. Okay, let us discuss with some simple example. I'll go with one new program. So hash include iostream.h. I'm going to define a main function. So here I'm going to display the output as welcome to this program. So welcome to this workshop. So get ch. So just I'm going to execute it. Here I didn't use any escape sequence. So we know that the escape sequence normally prefer to use only within output statement. Just a minute, just I compile this. I'm going just to show the output without using any preframe functions. Okay, so if I'm going to print it, I'm going to print programming in C++. Just if simply running the program, it shows that it's everything on a single line, but I'm expecting then from a programming in C++ must be displayed in next line so that I can use slash n before that. So normally this escape sequence must be preferred to use only within double quotes. But it's like this is a string character, it's a special characters, so that must be defined only in single, with double quotes, and slash n is a one character. Don't count it as slash n. It is a slash n as a single character. Now I'm going to run the program. It display like that. Even if you're not interested to put a slash in here, but you want to display on the next line, you can define here also. After printing, the control goes to the next line. So, and the next thing is I will go with the slash a here, means slash t for tab space. And so if the tab executed, normally it gives 6 spaces between means that the two print statement, means even not necessary you can define wherever you want. That is not a constraint. So only we have to use only the starting and ending. If you want, you can give it anywhere. See that I given a slash t between 2 and this, so the spaces will be displayed here. So normally the default space between for a tab space is 6 character space. And I'm going with instead of this slash t, if I prefer to go with the slash n, so then it will work. And see the output of the slash n. So after welcome to, it goes to the next line and it will working. Okay. Next to the ways I want to work it on slash a. Slash a means it is an alert sound, so that automatically small means if your mic is enabled and it will work, means your external mic is enabled, so it will give some alert sound. Actually in my laptop I have some issue. so that you are unable to see the sound. But actually the slash a always to give us some alert sound. Just a minute, I can check in. Actually, I have a just a minute. I can check. It's 100%. So actually, it's not hearing. So actually, if you are trying with some computer, surely always it shows some alert sound. And same way, if you are using slash double quote, it means if you want to print double quotes on your output screen, normally you can't able to put a double quotes here so that it makes an error message. So that if you want to use, if you want to display the double quotes in the output screen, you have to use like this. So that wherever you want to put a double quotes, it will be displayed. See that the double quotes will be displayed here. At the end, if you want to display the double quotes, you can put a slash double quotes so that here the slash double quotes will be considered as a one character. Here the slash double quotes will be considered as a one character during the execution part. So the double quotes will be displayed as usual. Even instead of this double quotes, if you want to use a single quotes, we can use a single quote. Okay, so here, and I'm going to explain the concept of slash B. Slash B means it is a backspace. You know that what is the purpose of backspace in a keyboard? The same purpose it will do, so that it will delete the last character, so that the slash B is there near to the P, so that the P will be deleted in an output. Means normally the welcome to this workshop will be printer, but after that immediately the slash will be printer. Means removed. Just a minute, you can check it. So it will be because once it executed, automatically it come out of the next line, so that you can't. So then, see that I'm including slash B here. So workshop, so that the R will be deleted in the workshop. So that the purpose is, if you are using a black B, means slash B, it means that the backspace will be applied, so that automatically will be deleted. Okay, if I'm using a slash R here. Slash R, normally the slash R means it's a carriage return. It means that automatically the control will goes to the next line. It means the control to the starting of the line. Once it will execute slash R. So assume that the welcome to this workshop is a line will be printer. Then after that it will execute slash R. So what will happen is again the control will be transferred to the first line. I can show it the output clearly. Just you can see the output. See that even though welcome to the workshop will be printer, just I can show the difference. So I removing the slash R and see the output and see the position of the cursor where it points. So the welcome to the workshop is printed and the cursor is pointed only at the end of the printed statement. So that if you are printed anything, so then it starts to print from this current cursor location itself. But if you are using a slash R, now tell me, see the output and tell me, identify the difference. The cursor goes to the first line, means that the starting of the current line. So that is the purpose of R. So if you are executing a slash R, always the cursor move to the starting location of the current line. So then if you are trying to display the value of display something, means so that I told that always the cursor starts to print from the current location. So initially the welcome to the workshop is printed and the cursor again moves to the starting of this same line. Then after that there is a one printable statement. Print statement is that there is a programming in C++. So that the programming in C++ starts to print the same line itself. So now you can see the output. So that the welcome to C workshop will be erased because it starts to print at the same line. So that we know that only one character can able to show at a time. So that welcome to workshop, that means that the entire line will be deleted, means will be replaced because of this carriage return. But still in that workshop, the total length of the programming in C++ not equal to the workshop. So that the some part of the words is that. Okay, for example, I'm going to say only one word here. So just a minute, I'm using Etsigaj for indication, just locations. See, it is there. I'm going to press any character here. So I printed only P so that the cursor only on the current location so that it will be replaced. Is it clear? So this is the way the escape sequence will work. So by using this escape sequence, we are able to perform, means we are able to provide a formatted output. Other than that, there is no special meaning of first escape sequence. Normally, this escape sequence prefer to use only within output statement. In some cases, the slash and slash t normally prefer to use for a condition for a string matching process. Okay, thank you.